Hey guys, what's up? It's Annie and
Mom.
Audrey. And right now we are in Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida, and we're staying at the Animal Kingdom Lodge, and we are up bright and early. It is what, like 6:30 in the morning? Yeah. And what are we doing, Mom?
We are going to Hollywood Studios to try to get on the new Star Wars rides, Rise of the Resistance and Smugglers Run. So wish us luck.
We're gonna need it because it's a debacle. It's a process, so we're gonna really need it.
Watch me have a meltdown if we don't get it.
Well, this was a good intro. All right, let's go to Hollywood Studios.
Off we go.
Mom, how excited are you? She's very excited. All right, so we made it into Hollywood Studios, and I'm here with my mom, my brother Richard, and Richard's wife Andrea, and we're gonna try to ride the rides. We're gonna try. This is crazy, guys. Look how many people are here. There's a lot of people trying to get on Star Wars.
Are so good. It's crowded, but it's not unbearable. So we'll hope for the best.
And we're gonna now get a Mickey pretzel because that seems like a great breakfast item.
Is used for admission to the Star Wars Rise of the Resistance attraction. Guests hoping to confront the First Order in Star Wars Rise of the Resistance should join the virtual queue through the My Disney Experience app or with the assistance of the guest experience teams located throughout the park. Please note, the virtual queue will be used for the Star Wars Rise of the Resistance attraction.
Is it working?
And does not apply to other shows and attractions at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Thank you and enjoy your time here at Disney's Hollywood
We did it! Good job, Mom! Good job. Wow! Everyone here is literally cheering and so excited that they got a group. Like everybody just went,
I started out at My Status.
So you went to My Status and then just refreshed,
Refresh, but then it froze.
Oh.
And so I had to go back one screen and then hit join boarding group, and then I got in.
But we got group 35. Yay!
Yeah.
Excellent work.
Very good tapping.
So to get the boarding pass, we actually sat at one of these tables at the Dockside Diner, and it turned out to be a really good spot. The internet was awesome, and as soon as people got their boarding passes, they all like headed out. So this place was packed maybe 5 minutes ago. As soon as you get your boarding pass, the best thing to do is to go right into Star Wars and get in line for Smugglers Run, because that's what it seemed like everyone around us did, and the wait time just keeps going up and up. All right, we are currently in this winding line. We're at the 2-hour mark, 120 minutes to the front. Our line is going all the way to the edge of Toy Story Land. Isn't it so cute? The theming is amazing. This is nice. This is a little tour of all the new stuff at Hollywood Studios while we wait in line. This is actually really nice. We're seeing so much while we're in line. Yeah, isn't it so detailed too? It's really detailed.
Commander Luna, please report to base for security observation and evaluation.
That's the ride right there.
Yeah, but you know how long it is.
Yeah, I mean, but that's it right there. We're like, I guess now we're gonna wait in line inside the ride. And there's the Millennium Falcon. I can't say that name. Millennial, is it millennial or millennium? Millennium? I always say it wrong. Millennium, that is so hard for me to say. Millennium Falcon. Millennium Falcon. It's so difficult because it's an M and then an N. Does anybody else find this difficult or just me? Richard, say something. Huh? Go Bright Suns!
Bright Suns. Bright Suns.
For tracking the resistance fighter, a Wookiee, have you seen anything? Very well, move along.
We're going in! Yay! Thank you. Bright Suns. I've never seen them sell drinks in a line for a ride. That is hilarious. And they're the cool souvenir drinks too. Knows what he's doing. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, look at that.
We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn.
All right, we are almost to the ride. We've only been in line an hour 15 minutes, so this wasn't bad at all, and there was tons to see, tons to look at. So this was an awesome line. And it's the beginning of the day and we're not tired. That definitely helps. I was just given this. I'm the gunner. All right, so I'm the gunner. Mom, what are you? Oh, I'm a gunner. Okay. You're a gunner? What are you guys, pilot and pilot? All right. This must be the hot photo op while you wait for the line. It's kind of random. So this is cool. You come in this room with your credentials and you wait for them to call your color. It's really neat. And there's a little booth over here that people have been taking photo ops at. So as you saw, he just called yellow engineers.
Anyone else with yellow? You're heading over here. Yellow.
This is so neat.
A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get the move on and know that I have complete faith in you. But
hit those flashing buttons to power up the Falcon, and we'll be on.
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing button. You'd better be faster when we get into trouble. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Try a little.
Whoa!
Move your stick. Take an easy action. Hyperdrive leak. That is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures. Well, it could be worse. Life support failure. That's okay. That's something. I'm just going to cut you off there.
I'm just going to cut you off there.
It's the parts that are not damaged. You know, the ones that help us to breathe. All right, my friends.
I like that the ship looks like it's falling apart. Oh, so cute! That's adorable. All right, we just got swiped in. We have verified. We are boarding group number 35. Now we're going. So it's only a little after 10:15 and we've already done Smugglers Run and now we're going on Rise of the Resistance. So we'll have done both Star Wars rides before lunchtime, which is incredible. I can't believe that. That's so awesome. And Smugglers Run was so much fun. We had a great time with it. I got some clips on the ride, which was cool. And now it's time for Rise of the Resistance.
Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a first-order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us,
Wow.
Route crossing to transport.
This is so cool. I can't believe we actually go outside.
Airspeed sensor. Thank you, 9-9. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. The engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits.
Oh my gosh, this is so creepy. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. This is so cool. It's very scary. There's a hush in the crowd. No.
Your hearing must be extraordinary. Good, you shouldn't have any trouble following orders. Run it into yourself. Followed by silver and orange.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer.
Woo! This is neat.
Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right.
That's so cool.
Detection block breach. Prisoners last seen 11D. There they are! Fire!
This does not look good.
Whoa! Ah!
Then I will destroy you and the resistance.
So after all the boarding groups are distributed for the day, you will see this sign out posted at the entrance and exit of Hollywood Studios.
Make sure that everyone in your party is linked in the app. If they are not linked in the app, you will not be able to get boarding passes for them. The second thing is to make sure that everybody is in the park. Everyone must be in the park before 8 o'clock. Right before 8 o'clock, you want to go status, join boarding pass, and then keep refreshing. You want to hit that join boarding pass 8 o'clock on the dot. You could even get somebody to do a countdown for you, so you know exactly when to do it. Now, when I did this, the screen froze. So what I did was I went back one screen, I went back to status, and then I hit join boarding pass once again. And then I was able to get through. Whatever you do, you don't want to exit the app because there are so many people using the app that you'll never get back in. One other tip to give you is to turn off Wi-Fi, use cellular only, and get away from the crowd. Again, that will make it more likely that you'll be able to make a connection. That's about it, and good luck. Hope you get a boarding pass.
So I just wanted to wrap up the vlog and thank my mom for all her tips and for really hooking it up so that we could ride these rides today. She did an awesome job, so thanks, Mom!
You're welcome!
I hope all of our tips and tricks and all of my footage have proved helpful to you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And until the next vlog, bye guys!
Bye!
Mom says bye!